I'm back from the Apple store and didn't mean to even go in there and actually buy something today, but I guess here we go.
Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
What's up, YouTube? This your man Calico the Truth Reviews, and I'm back in the building with another video. And today I went to the Apple store and didn't actually mean to actually buy something, but today I actually walked out with an Apple Watch Ultra 2. So I just figured I'd go ahead and unbox it on the channel since, I don't really do a lot of Apple Watches anymore. I just been kind of chilling. Plus, on top of that, like my old Apple Watch, the Apple Watch Nike Edition Series 7. It's kind of getting a little old on me now. They're about to start actually introducing the Apple Watch Series 10. So it just makes all the sense in the world to go ahead and upgrade. And what better to upgrade with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. With that being said, wifey definitely wants this Apple Watch, so I'm gonna go ahead and oblige her and give her my old Apple Watch. I was gonna trade in towards it, which they wasn't gonna give me much for it, but I kind of figured, it is what it is, man. I charged it to the game, so I'm gonna just pretty much have this for an early birthday present to myself. Just decided I'll go ahead and just treat myself here. All right, so for the Apple Watch Ultra 2, I'm gonna read off some specs. Because this is my first time owning the Apple Watch Ultra 2. We gotta talk about the specs, all right? So they say the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is the most rugged and capable Apple Watch yet. With powerful custom Apple silicon, Apple Watch Ultra 2 features Apple's brightest display ever and introduces double tap. Double tap where you actually tap to, you can play and pause your music. You can just double tap like that. Basically, a little gimmicky, little situation there. And also a magical new gesture you can use on Apple Watch without touching the display. With Watch OS 10, you get advanced cycling features, new compass views, and logs for depths sessions in the fitness app on iPhone. Like in case you guys, in case people actually do like diving or, scuba diving, or you like to go on long hikes and things like that. You're very active. I know I'm about to start getting back active, man. Start getting back on my active-ish, man, because I'm definitely in need of a workout and definitely got to get off these big back activities, all right? So, all right, without further ado, it says log depths in the fitness app on iPhone and the Oceanic app introducing free diving. Apple Watch Ultra 2 builds on the core features of the Apple Watch so you can stay connected, active, healthy, and safe. It's perfect for anyone who wants a stunning design, large display, and longest battery life, I guess, on an Apple Watch yet. So, the case size, of course, is 49 millimeters. Of course, that's Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular, and yeah, we're going to definitely go ahead and get into the unboxing, y'all. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Of course, I went to the Apple store. Shout out to the guy that helped me in the Apple store in Cumberland Mall here in Atlanta, Georgia. Shout out to that dude, man. Yeah, he definitely helped me out. All right, so this is the box that it comes in, Apple Watch Ultra. It says Apple Watch. Let's see here. All right, so the Apple Watch Ultra 2 here. I'm guessing here you just pull these tabs here and then it comes out here. All right, and they flip out. As you see, as you greeted with Apple Watch branding for Apple Watch. And then I also got the Ocean band here, the orange. They have the trail, the Alpine, tells you all the action buttons for the actual watch, shows you some of the things like the depth gauge, the crown, casing, action button, GPS, things like that. And then also it shows you how to charge the watch. This here just shows you depth information, blood pressure, just different different things that your watch is capable of when you're doing like certain fitness things for your watch. Okay, warranty information. I'm gonna set that to the side. This is the actual watch here, or watch face, the actual casing. All right, set that to the side for a second. And this is actually your band. This is what you're gonna use to actually attach to your watch. So set that to the side there. Let's go ahead and open up the casing here. Yeah, so this is the actual casing here, the titanium color. I chose the titanium. I know, of course, they're coming out with the black titanium, but I just chose to opt in for the regular titanium color. Just a little bit more versatility on that end. All right, so let's go ahead and take it on out of the box, shall we? All right, so no unboxing knife needed, guys. No unboxing knife. All right, so pull the tabs here. Oops. All right, and pull the tab there. All right. And here is the moment of truth here for the Apple Watch Ultra here. All right. Has your design by Apple in California. That's your actual, this is the charger here. To charge your actual Apple Watch here. This is the charger. Has a nice little woven, nice little woven cord on it actually right here. And then this part here is just the actual charging, the little charging plate for it. Pretty much the same. It's nothing different, as you see. All right, so I'm gonna set this over to the side. The actual Apple Watch Ultra face here. So go ahead and take this out of the plastic here. I just took off the plastic there. Then it also tells you how to attach the band here. Okay, so since it has a loop, it'll show you how to basically clasp it on. So let's see, let's go ahead and take this out of the box here. All right, so that is how it actually looks when you clasp it together here. All right, so this is how the watch looks on my wrist after, yeah, this is how the watch actually looks on my wrist here. So, all in all, I like it. It's pretty cool. I like the aesthetic. I like the way it fits nice and snug on my wrist. Let's go and give it its first initial boot. If it got any juice. There we go. All right, so that is the actual booting sequence for the Apple Watch Ultra here. All right, guys, so that's the end of the unboxing for you guys of the Apple Watch Ultra Series 2. So, yeah, I'm really liking this watch, man. It's really cool. I'm loving this Apple Watch Ultra. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and spend some days with it, see how good it actually performs and everything, and yeah, I'm gonna actually enjoy it. So I'm glad you guys stopped in on my video. Hopefully you guys give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And but yeah, I'm really liking this new Apple Watch Ultra Series 2, man. So, and yeah, we're gonna definitely bring you guys more content on the channel, as well as more videos, more gaming, more vlog, more tech. So be on the lookout, all right? And also, this has been your man Calico the Truth Reviews. You guys take care of yourselves and each other. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, right? Peace.